What's up, guys? This is the E10 SV review and unboxing. This box is pretty well made, actually, surprisingly. For the price that you pay for it, $39.99 with Amazon Prime. Can't really beat it, man. This is there are other boxes that are very similar. Scar makes some. Logic, I think, but for the price, I just figured, with the Amazon's return policy, you can't really beat it. So I just figured try it out. So once I got the box and unboxed it, this thing is actually very, very well made. Only two issues with the box. You'll notice that it came pretty well wrapped up, but there was no padding on the outside of the box. So depending on your delivery agent, you could receive a damaged box. So one of the issues I noted was this wire connection. It's a very flimsy box. For the price, I think it's worth mentioning, but I wouldn't let it deter me. You can replace those fairly cheap, maybe $3, and for the comparison of what other ones cost, this is way cheaper. The other issue is this port here. The carpet on this port has a piece that's not really glued down. You can see right there, it's kind of flapping, and with the amount of air that's going to be coming out of this box, at some point that would be an issue. The mounting hole is a little bit over 9 inches. Mounting depth is right at 12 inches. I would leave a little bit less for air, but that's it. But overall, this box is very good. I do have a old Encore VM Audio 10 sub in there that I will be showcasing when I put in my system in my Malibu. So other than that, this box is worth every penny. $39.99 delivered to your door from Amazon. Here are the specs. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Peace.